Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 16 of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. And apparently, I guess this is a recent contest problem or something from, what was that? Only 4 months ago. You can give me an old daily problem that I literally still have in my memory. Well, not my memory, but the computer's memory. Oh well. But yeah, today I just came back from running 6 miles, not even that fast, but not that slow at my marathon pace, but only 6 miles, trying to get back up a little bit. But we'll see how this goes. I am trained. I don't know if I'm training, honestly, but I am signed up for a 50k, 50 kilometers, 50. In January. We'll see how that goes. It'll be fun. I'm not going to try to race or anything. I'm just going to try to finish it, so it'll be fine either way, or should be, hopefully, knock on wood. But okay, let's take a look at today's problem. We have 3264. Find a array state after k multiplication operations 1. Okay, so what does that mean? You have nums, integer k, multiplier 2. K operations on nums. You try to find the minimum. Replace the selected. Oh, okay. So you need to keep track of the index. I mean, that's fine, right? Or like the orders matters, so you have to keep track of it. But that's fine, right? So basically, this is a problem where you have to repeatedly get minimum. However, and in this one, so I think sometimes I think about whether you should sort or use a heap. Honestly, it doesn't matter. I think if you have to ask, just use a heap. Like, a heap works, it will be fine. But if you can sort, it'll be slightly faster. But then the key thing about sorting is just knowing that you only need to do each index once, right? And in this problem, that's not a given. For example, in here, maybe 1 times multiplied by 2, and then 1 goes again in the future, right? So that means that the same number goes multiple times, so that means you need a heap, because you need that repeat min. So, and that's basically the idea, I think. Right, for index x in enumerate nums, we have, we append, x is what we sort by, index is just a reference, right? And of course, then we heapify afterwards. And then we just have to do this k times, pretty straightforward. It's still a little bit tricky for a easy problem, honestly. Especially for a contest easy, but I guess maybe that's just the way it is these days. But yeah, and then you just get the min, right? So, if I could spell it. And then this gives you the x, and then the index, right? I was trying to figure out whether I need it, and I think I do actually. But yeah, and then we do num sub index multiplied by k, right? And then I guess you don't need x per se, but same thing. Yeah, and then now you put num sub index and then index again. So I guess you don't need x, depending on how you write it, but doesn't really matter. And then that's pretty much it. And then we just return nums at the end, and we should be Gucci, right? But we're not. Why not? Tell me why not. They get confused. That is odd. Okay, well, we can print it after every iteration, I suppose. So, how come we have a 5? Did I get I multiplied by k instead of multiplier. Okay, so I mean, Larry's full of silly mistakes these days. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just a little bit ditzy these days. But yeah, as you can see, if you use the actual input correctly, it's not that bad. We give a submit, we're Gucci, and we have 1721 day streak. What did I do last time? I would imagine the same, I have to guess. This looks mostly the same, right? Yeah, I mean, get min. Oh, why did I do it this way? I mean, I didn't even look at the constraints because heap makes it really trivial. But I guess you can look at the constraint, and the constraint is that 100. So I guess if given 100, then you don't, you could do it as silly as you want. I wonder if that was just like me just showing you that it can, because this was like 3 hours later for whatever reason. But yeah, so I guess my default answer would still be, actually this is like basically exactly the same, except for I used X. I used N, but I don't really use it. Oh well. But yeah, what is the complexity here, right? Well, we have a K loop, right? This is all linear, right? And we have a K loop. So what does that mean? Well, we have a pop and a push for every K, so this is going to be log n, 2 log n's for every K, so it's going to just be K log n. That's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward, I hope. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Have a great weekend, or rest of the weekend, or maybe just rest of the week. I'll see you later and take care. Bye-bye.